So next up, guys, just gonna do a quick video. This is a 2001 Freightliner Century 112 sleeper truck coming in. Local guys, got a chrome bumper. It is already running. Batteries are just a little low. We just had to give it a small jump. The batteries do take a charge, though. I think the batteries are in good shape as far as that goes. Cummins ISM diesel motor. Aluminum rims. They're actually all aluminum rims. Headache rack. Right at 700,000 miles, guys. Air ride suspension. Honestly, the frame looks to be pretty clean. Sliding fifth wheel, I believe. It's got the headache rack. Starts up, forward, reverse. They drove it in from about 45-50 minutes away. Said it ran down the road pretty well. And shifted and everything like that. So I'm here with Garrett. He's just gonna give you a forward and reverse on it. It's a pre-emissions truck, guys. Got the good Cummins diesel. It would be a 10-speed Eaton transmission manual. Forward reverse sounds good, guys. Really pretty clean for the age. It's nice to get in these pre-emissions trucks. So good luck, guys, with Old 20 auctions and auction time. That's the video on the 2001 Freightliner Century 112.